I am Vikash Kumar. In today's video, we will
You
discuss
have
the
an email.
suggestive locations of ATMS equipment. 20116 Circular. General guidelines were provided, such as TMCS cameras every 1 kilometer and VMS at project start endpoints and black spots. Placement was broad, with less emphasis on detailed accident-prone zone analysis. 2023 Circular. Video Surveillance System (PTZ) cameras, minimum 1 camera per kilometer, placed on alternating sides or on the median. Additional cameras at cloverleafs, interchanges, and non-linear structures. VIDES, gantries, overview, ANPR, radar. Minimum 1 gantry every 10 kilometers, covering both directions. Exact locations at accident and incident-prone areas, black spots, cloverleafs, busy junctions, based on IRAD data. Additional gantries as per NHAI audit or traffic police recommendations. Variable message signs, VMS, at entry or exit points of the project stretch, at black spot locations, at major junctions with national highways or expressways. Minimum 2 portable VMS per project package. VASD, speed display, gantry-mounted system every 20 kilometers, minimum 2 per package, mandatory in overspeeding-prone areas. Emergency roadside telephone, ERT, only in telecom black spot zones. If the stretch exceeds 2 kilometers of black spot, ERT must be installed every 2 kilometers on both sides. Mobile communication system, wireless tower base stations and repeater stations based on terrain, handsets for dispatch and O&M teams, portable mobile sets installed in O&M vehicles. ATMS Command and Control Center, typically 1 location per 100 kilometers, can be adjusted based on project scheme or structure. Key point: the 2023 Circular Pro VIDES precise, data-driven placement guidelines focusing on safety and incident-prone areas, unlike the broader approach in 2016. Note: one-line summary. Suggestive location defines where ATMS devices should be installed on highways. In the 2023 circular, TMCS cameras are placed every 1 kilometer, VIDES gantries every 10 kilometers in accident-prone areas, VMS at entry-exit points and black spots, VASD every 20 kilometers, and command centers every 100 kilometers. Emergency telephones are mandatory only in telecom black spot zones. If you found this video informative, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Toll Tech Academy for more such information.